Hi guys, if you want to know how to separate the MP3 audio from a video file like MP4, you are in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do it inside CapCut. It's very easy and fast, just follow my instructions. Open CapCut on your desktop. If you don't have it installed, download it from CapCut.com and create a new project. Just simply drag and drop the file directly into the timeline. Select the video, right click on the video and click on Extract Audio. This will split the audio from the video into a separated track. You can also just press the Ctrl plus Shift plus S buttons on your keyboard to extract the audio right away. With this separated audio track, you have now more options to edit the audio right here. You can even trim or move it to other places. Now select the video track and press delete if you only want to keep the audio. Only the audio track will be left in the timeline. Go to the top right corner and click on Export. In the export settings, name your file, choose your saving location, for example desktop. Then uncheck the video right here and check the audio box. You can change the audio file format to MP3 or other file type as you prefer. In the end, just click on the export button to save the MP3 file. That's it, you have successfully separated the audio from the video and exported it as a single MP3 file using CapCut. Thank you for watching and see you next time.